really want to perpetuate themselves into power. And even yung kay Vice President, they have to remove the Vice President because the Vice President is the only one na hadlang sa kanilang plano. So all of these things itong ginagawa nila, maybe to some extent, kailangan mangyari to for us to be galvanized para ang taong bayan maggising at makita natin talaga at tayo ay matauhan talaga na kailangan talaga natin ng kumilos. At hindi na nga tayo pwedeng manahimik po. Hindi na po tayo pwede talagang tumahimik dito. And sabi nga ni Lorraine, meron naman tayong social media as our platform. Gamitin natin ang social media as ang ating bagong EDSA. At dahil dito,